65 kilos versus 85 kilos. Which one is going to be faster at this indoor electric karting track? So as we start the laps, heading through the first corner, the long left-hander, watch on the left-hand side as I'm having to slightly correct my steering as the kart is shaking quite a lot, whereas on the right-hand side we're a lot smoother. And as we reach the braking point for the turn 2 hairpin, we've edged slightly ahead on the 85 kg lap. This trend is going to continue as we approach the turn 3 hairpin. Watch on the right hand side, the 85 kg lap, we get a very smooth run, but on the left hand side, the kart is shaking a lot on the 65 kg lap. And by the time we hit our next reference point, the 85 kg lap has gone further ahead. And that gap is going to be maintained through the middle part of the track as we negotiate the right left hand sequence. Now watch closely on the left hand side as we approach the fast left hander. We initiate our turn in, but the kart is sliding now and we're having to correct our steering. Whereas on the right hand side with the ballast weight I had so much more grip, giving me a very smooth run, and we've increased our advantage at the back end of the lap. And let's see what the lap times are. 25.290 was my best lap at 65 kilos, and 25.111 seconds was my best lap time at 85 kilos. So how could I get a faster lap time when I added ballast weight on the 85 kg lap? Electric karts are very heavy and they have instant acceleration. What I felt on the 65 kg lap when I didn't add any ballast weight was that the kart was juddering through the corners. This unsettled the kart and my driving wasn't very smooth. It was also a lot easier to slide the kart, which contributed towards a slower lap time. On the 85 kg lap, however, with the ballast weight, my driving was a lot smoother. My kart was planted to the track. This made cornering so much easier because there was absolutely no juddering, and as a result, my steering was very smooth and precise with minimal inputs. Now this experiment is obviously specific to the Villaggio karting track, and that's why I'd like you to do the same experiment at your go-kart track, and let us know the results in the comments. You can watch my other weight versus speed experiments in this playlist. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.